how to change the watch face style of your Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch using the Zepp app. The first thing you want to do is make sure both the Balance or the Active 2 smartwatch is connected to the Zepp app. And once you go into your Zepp app here, you will see this load up for you here like this. Then from this part here of the app where it says device, you'll tap on it. It's to the bottom right section. Now, as you enter here, you're going to see the name of your watch. And of course, this works for the Active 2 or the Balance, which is what I also have. And when you're here now, you'll see watch faces. You also got the app store. So when you go here to the watch faces area here, you will see a preview of all the free ones available, and you can also go through them by going through here, or if you want to, you can also go down the list of these here, find more, and they're just going to tell you which one is free from those that you need to pay. So let's just say there is one that you see that looks really awesome, and you decide that that is the one for you. Okay, so maybe this one here looks good and you tap on it here, you're going to see it's going to say this here, and you'll see the option to sync it. It's going to tell you it's free. And once you sync it, it's going to load up like this here. And of course, once it's fully synced to your watch, it's going to refresh the watch face on your watch and switch it over to the new style. And now what's good about this is once you have it all set into the watch itself, let's just say now you want to change it back to another one and not need to use the app. So just wake your watch like this here, hold it down, and you will be able to browse over and look for those that you had installed already or those that were pre-installed with the watch itself. And once you select it, it will be saved as that one, like and so.